Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra phone, and in this video I will show you how to enable one-handed mode. So if I double tap on home screen, you see the screen becomes smaller and I can easily use it with one hand. I can move it to the right or left. I can use all apps in one-handed mode. So you can see over here, so I can easily access the screen from the side. The screen become small. I can easily access it. So how to enable it? Just go to the settings first. Once you enter into the settings, you will see an option of advanced features. Okay, you see this advanced features option, just select it, and once you enter into the advanced features, you will see an option of one-handed mode. So you can see one-handed mode. Just enter into it, and once you enter, you will see the option of gesture and button. So you can use any option. So if you want to use gesture, you can use gesture. If you want to use button, just use button. Just turn it on first. So now everything is done. I select for the button, and then you see if I double press the button, the home button, you can see the screen become smaller and it easily access with one hand. Okay, so you can see over here, I can access the phone screen in one hand. I can do all the applications. Everything is working perfectly fine in one-handed mode. Simply go to the settings, and then you will see the option of advanced features. Once you enter into the advanced features, you will see an option of one-handed mode. Just enable it first. Okay, and after enabling, just enter into it. So currently I turn it off, and then if I double press the home button, you see the screen will not go into one-handed mode. So you have to turn it on always. So in the advanced features and then one-handed mode, you see, just turn it on first. Okay, so once you turn it on, and then everything is done. Okay, you just have to double press the home button like that, and then you see screen is in one-handed mode. I can easily access all apps, all the function of the phone with one hand, because the screen becomes smaller. You can see I open the gallery. Okay, I can scroll it, I can move it left or right. You can see if I double tap on the other side of the screen, it will turn it into a bigger screen. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video.